time to sell the Audi. As you've seen from my other videos, it's got a lot of problems, but I gotta make it pretty and then I'm gonna sell it. Firstly, I need to fix an airbag light, which hopefully I can do with this new cable I bought. The good old VAGCOM. Supposedly you can just plug in and erase things. So the reason I'm having to do this is because there was a loose airbag wire under the driver's seat, which I fixed, but the light is still set. Normally you have to go to the dealership to get that reset, so I'm going to fix it myself. Open up the software here. Options, port 2, test it, okay, save, airbag, yeah. Airbags, hey, kitty, how did you get in here? You snuck in. Fault codes. Igniter, driver's side, upper limit. Exceeded, clear codes, no fault code, done, close, go back, exit. Oh, I should have filmed it before. I had an airbag light. No, I don't. Oh my gosh. There was a yellow airbag light on. It's been on for like 5 years since I fixed that wire. But I never got around to buying this stupid little blue cable. And now it's fixed. There's videos on that, by the way, so I'm not gonna make one. I kinda showed you what I was doing, but it's pretty simple. That cord is like 20 bucks on Amazon. Dude, seriously? Get out of there. Ah. Out. Yes. No more of that. Alright, I need to make a list. That marker sucks. Anyways, we did the airbag light. That's awesome. The driver rear window's not working. The driver's seat back's falling off. I need to deep clean it and refinish the headlights. And I need to silicone the breather on. I think I'm going to focus on these two because they're easy. And these headlights look horrible, as the French say. So I'm going to redo those. And then we're going to give it a nice wash maybe tomorrow. So I should paint this. This looks really crappy. Just some screws on there. Works really well though. A nylock nut with a screw, because Audi's special thingy was not working. Alright, let me do these headlights. Quite the difference. Brand new headlight. Compared to that. Woo. Filled up my fluids. Only needed just a little bit of coolant. Silicone this breather back in, that's what I was talking about. Gonna need to clean under here pretty good. Just years of grime. painted these yesterday. Looks better. Alright, I'll stick those back on. Quick side note though, this Armor All crap is garbage. Really, it fogged up immediately. I don't know if you can see that haze, but it was nice and bright. As soon as I applied that crap, it made like a haze layer. I think I can just wipe it off since I already did all the sanding and polishing. I went ahead and I ordered the Project Farm top rated one. He did a video on all the different headlight polishes, so I'm just gonna do that one to seal it up good. It's supposed to work super well. Moving on though, this window doesn't roll down. It doesn't roll down from the master switch on the driver panel, and it doesn't roll down here. And that most likely is usually broken wires right here, so there's no communication in between, so I'm gonna pop that open. We'll take a look at the wiring. I don't know how deeply I want to dig into that though. The seat back is just popped off here, and you can see it was glued on originally. That's original, so I think I can just take the clips out, re-glue them, and we should be fine. Some good adhesive. These should just pop off. Get a pry bar, I don't want to break them. Oh, yeah, so just like a little clip thing. But what I can do is I can like sand this probably and then glue it back. Just make sure I use something really good. Alright, let me crack into it and see what I can find. Well, I looked it over. Didn't see anything broken in here from the little part I took apart. I'm not really going to dive into that any further. Man, that was hard to put back on though. I do not miss being a mechanic and working on interiors. You mechanics know what I'm talking about. So we'll just leave it like that, I guess, because whoever sits in the driver rear anyways. But I'll let the buyer know. Here's the seat back thingies. Like I said, they just unadhered to the rules. Just gonna rough it up a little. Get some alcohol. Make sure it's clean. And I'm going to go with Gorilla Glue today. I'm not going to go light. It's time to clean the car. I'm gonna go vacuum everything, then wipe it down. Okay, got it all vacuumed up. That's the haul. It actually wasn't that much. I thought it'd be a lot more nasty. But let's check this over. This is still broken. I'm not worried about it. We're gluing this, so we just gotta reinstall it. Deep clean, I gotta redo this again. This is like halfway done. I glued that on. I got an engine light when I was moving it, which really sucks, so I need to check that out. Well, there it is, all dried. Bubbled up a little more than I wanted. To remove some of this, let me cut that off real fast. There we go. It's a little better. Let's see if it pops into place. not amazing, but good enough. Also, I just deep cleaned this whole car, on the inside at least. Conditioned the seats, cleaned up the windows and everything. So, looks really nice in here. And it's 9:11 at night. So I'm gonna go to bed. After cleaning it, looks pretty dang good. And that's just a rinse. Okay. Alright, well, I finished everything, I think. This engine light was just a reoccurring old timing light. There's nothing wrong with the cam sensor or the crank sensor. It's just, I've checked the timing, it's good, it just goes off. I've refinished the headlights again, deep cleaned it, waxed it, all that. I reinstalled that back piece and kind of said goodbye. The finish came out decent. Put a wax on the flat surfaces. Unfortunately, there's those thin spots for the clear coat that just are not going to come back. But overall, I mean, it looks decent enough to sell it. This headlights shined up better again. It's really clean, ready to sell. Kind of sad. This was kind of the car that built my YouTube channel. Did a lot of repair videos on all this. Now I'm selling it off. But thanks for watching this little video on me prepping the Audi for sale. Hopefully it'll sell good, I don't know. It's not really worth much, but it's a good car when it's working. Alright, that's it. The Audi is sold. Actually only posted it for like an hour, and then someone messaged me and I sold it an hour after that. So I sold it in 2 hours. That was crazy. The buyers seem super happy. You can see a little video of them driving off right here. Yeah, the Audi was great. I had it since college. I've had it like 7 or 8 years actually. Had 275,000 miles. I blew up the engine twice on it, and that was rough. But honestly, like, that was good. I learned a lot from that car. And if you look at my YouTube channel, like all the videos I've made, like my most popular viewed videos, like the first 6 of them are all Audi videos. So thank you to the Audi community for supporting me there. But goodbye. I'm done making Audi videos for now. Maybe I'll get another Audi later on, but it's been good and it was fun. But the whole reason for selling it was so I could afford new projects and new things. And actually, I don't know if you can tell, but I'm looking a little better on camera now because I got a new camera. So my videos may look a little bit better now, which is really cool. I'm super glad I have some money to throw around for improving the channel, reinvesting in the channel, and getting some cooler projects and improving everything, you know, how I film, how I edit, all that. It's all about not plateauing but progressing, and I'm trying to do that for the channel. That car helped me start my YouTube channel. It was great. As always, I'm really grateful for this guy. He supports me so much. He's a good little kitten. He doesn't like to be held, but he's a friendly boy, aren't you? Thanks for watching, and like and subscribe. It really helps me out, and I appreciate it. And I'll catch you in the next one.